I'm so tired of love songs, tired of love songs, tired of love songs, tired of love. Just wanna go home, wanna go home, wanna go home. Oh, so tired of love songs, tired of love songs, tired of love songs, tired of love. Just wanna go home, wanna go home, wanna go home. Oh.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we are here in Candolim and I got some really good news. We are going to be checking out some really cool things. As you can see, the beach beds are back. We are going to be checking out the water sports on this beach and we are going to take a long walk around. I'm going to show you everything possible that is open right now, and also I'm going to be telling you the prices of everything right now, guys. So anyway, let's go and check out the beautiful Candolim beach here in Goa. Okay guys, so we are now going to head on to the main Candolim beach here. So this of course is a very different entrance from the main entrance of Candolim beach. So why I've come from this side is because this is a little more peaceful area and very beautiful part of Candolim, which is with less people. Of course the main area is there, and I've got some good news also for you guys. So let's head on to the beach right now. And as you can see here, there are the beach beds are back in Goa, guys. So after a long time, I know everybody's been keeping on asking me when are the beach beds going to be back, or hi, what's up? So we have some viewers here. What's up?
Congratulations.
Thank you. So hi. Nice to meet you.
Same here.
Yeah. So where you guys come from?
Chandigarh.
Chandigarh. Okay. Would you like to be in the vlog? Tell us how's your experience in Goa so far?
Yeah, it was very nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What you enjoyed the most?
Beach, mostly beach.
Which beach did you go to?
We like.
It's the first day, right?
Yeah.
We just
Today's your
arrived
first day, okay.
last night, yeah.
Okay, so Candolim beach is. How's Candolim been so far?
Candolim is my best,
Yeah.
the best place. Yeah,
Okay. So how many videos have you all seen?
I guess all.
All.
You've seen all my videos. Okay, wow. So it's
Yesterday I messaged you.
Oh, you
about
messaged
the
me?
flea market.
Oh wow. Okay, yeah. So she messaged me about the flea market and the flea markets.
Flea market.
Yeah. So yeah, nice meeting you guys.
Same here, same here.
Okay, so let us continue. Met some amazing people from Chandigarh, as I showed you, and here we have the beach beds which are back here in Goa, and these ladies having a good time here, clicking some really cool Instagram pictures, I guess. So look at that. Good times here in Candolim. So guys, the main Candolim beach area is there in the distance. So we are quite far away from the main beach area, but of course we are going to walk there. So as you can see, that's a beautiful blue sky today. The rains have stopped, and if you see around here, the sky is amazing. And also good news is that they are building the shacks again. So if you see here, the shacks are slowly being built here on this side, and in the distance, that area also soon they are going to build up all the shacks and everything. So guys, look at the view. What a beautiful day here. Amazing. Just to show you guys the water. So of course the water is still pretty rough, but this is usually how Candolim is. The main area there is the main Candolim beach. So what we'll do is let's zoom in there and I'll show you once we reach there, guys. So guys, we have finally reached the main Candolim beach area, and as you can see here, there's a lot of people at the moment. And the great news that is here is that water sports are back. So just to tell you guys, we literally walked for maybe half an hour because it is so far from there and walking in the sand is so difficult. So this is the boating that is available here. Okay, so this is in the distance there is the Toy Beach Club. So that is a really happening beach club which is here. And as you can see, the beach beds are back here in Candolim. The shacks, you see, these are the top part of the shacks. So the shacks have not been started as of now, but they will be back soon. So you have the beach beds here. I'm going to go and ask them for the beach beds prices. So yeah, I just got swept away by a big wave, which is cool. I'm wearing short pants, so it's fine. So there's a lot of people at the beach right now, which is great to see. And as I told you guys, Watersports is back, so we're going to go and check out the prices of Watersports. I'll show you like the people, and yeah, so we're going to take a little walk. So that's the main entrance of the Candolim beach, which is over there. There's the famous tomato shack and tomatoes restaurant basically, which is there. And as you can see guys, swimming is now allowed in this area. So if you want to like go in the water like that and play around, at the moment is allowed, which is good news. So everybody was waiting to go back into the sea. So here we have all the people that are here. So people are really enjoying themselves in the water. So today they are still here early, so it's early 12:30 right now. So we see big groups of people here. वाटर स्पोर्ट्स का प्राइस क्या कितना है यार?
सर आपका जेट स्की का 1500 सर।
जेट स्की 1500?
पैरासेलिंग सर।
हाँ, पैरासेलिंग 1500।
और जेट स्की का 600 सर।
हाँ ओके, जेट स्की का 600। ओके, थैंक यू, बाद में पूछेंगे आपको। सो ही सेड 1500 फॉर parasailing and 600 for jet ski. Of course you can bargain these rates and get it for cheaper. So let's just zoom in the distance there, and we will see that the parasailing is already started here, which is really fun because they give you a dip in the water also, and the parasailing is directly from the boat. So before they used to take it from over here, now they take you directly from the boat and they let you go. So then you're not forced to run from the beach or anything. So it's really awesome. Let's go and see the people going into the, this is the jet ski here. Let them take the people in the jet ski. So let me show you. Oh my god, I'm wet. so cool. You can't drive the jet ski yourself, but they take you in the jet ski, in the sense they have a guy who will ride the jet ski and take you, but they take you for quite a long ride. So let's just look at how far they go and how long they take the person for. So as you can see, the jet ski, the other rides haven't opened yet. So as of now, there is only the jet ski and the parasailing available at the beach. So they take you for a pretty long ride, and also they have the boat ride. So if you want to go around, and they will take you for a big ride all around. So if you can see in the distance there, that's the boat ride that is going on right now. Oh my god, the jet ski, they take you really, really far. So I really expected them to do like a small ride. So like for 600 rupees, of course after bargaining it's probably 1000. Oh, they're taking the people to the parasailing from here. So they take you from the jet ski to the parasailing. That's why. So yeah guys, look at the line of people here waiting for the jet ski and the water sports. See the fun. Look at this. This is so cool. See that? Wow. So those people are smiling and blushing. So yeah. So there is so many people right now. These are of course the beach beds. We'll just go around and ask the prices of how much they charge for the beach beds. Guys, alcohol is available at the beach beds from the restaurants that own these beach beds here. So I don't know who to ask, but yeah. So these are the water sports guys that are here, and yeah, I can't see anybody for the beach beds as of now. कितले रे 100 okay for how long okay so it's 100 rupees for 1 to 2 hours for the beach beds per bed or don't okay so for both the beds is costing 100 rupees for 1 to 2 hours एक घंटा का okay one okay for both the beds it is for 1 hour 2 beds sorry so that's the price of the beach beds here okay the sand is so hot right now my legs are burning so okay that is the sandbox which is the restaurant there and here is the tomatoes shack and of course that is the main entrance to the beach so that is the main entrance to the Candolim beach from here and good to see all the shacks and everything back to normal here. Okay, so I just came to confirm the prices for the parasailing. So if you're taking 2 people on the parasailing, it's 1,500 and of course even if you're taking 1 person it will still be 1,500 guys. So that is the rate of parasailing. You just have to come here. These guys are over here and you just have to book the parasailing directly with them and they will take you to the boat guys. So anyway, this is it from here in Candolim. Great to see that so many people are back here and everything is back to normal. Do check out my other videos coming out this week. I will be showing you water sports at other beaches also with the prices from all the different beaches so you know the best prices at every possible beach here in Goa guys. So guys, that is it from here in Candolim. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe and I will be bringing you lots of other videos from here in Goa.